Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Here's the gist of it. You'll be leveraging affiliate marketing to promote audiobooks on Audible. You'll create summaries of popular books in different niches and then offer them for free, with a link to get the full audiobook for free on Audible, through your affiliate link, of course. Head over to Fact Fluence, formerly Jarvis GPT, and ask it for a list of top niches in various categories. This will give you a good starting point for finding popular book topics. Once you've chosen a niche, use Fact Fluence again to find the top 10 books in that niche. For example, you could target the self-development niche and find a book like Atomic Habits. You can write these summaries yourself. Use Fact Fluence to generate them, or use an AI writing tool. Fact Fluence is a great option, but there are also paid AI writing tools available. Head over to Canva, a free graphic design tool, and search for book promo templates. Customize the template with the book cover, which you can find by searching on Google Images, and text that says, "Free Book Now." Audible offers a generous affiliate program where you can earn $5 every time someone signs up for a free trial through your link. Signing up for the program is straightforward. Just search for Audible Creator program on Google. Medium is a great platform to publish your book summaries and attract potential readers. You can easily create an account and start publishing articles for free. Join Facebook groups related to the niche of your book summary. Provide value in the groups and share your Medium article link, offering the free book as an incentive. This system allows you to create multiple summaries in a short amount of time and publish them on Medium. By promoting your articles in relevant Facebook groups, you can increase your chances of getting people to sign up for Audible through your affiliate links and earn commissions. Remember, the key is to be consistent. The more summaries you create and publish, the more traffic you'll drive to your affiliate links, and the more money you can potentially make. For more details on how I personally do this, check out the first link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.